Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. My name is Jess. Welcome to Smarter Beauty, where I talk about cruelty-free beauty here on my channel. So if you want to subscribe, definitely do so. I post on Tuesdays and Fridays every week. You can also find me on social media. My links will be here on the screen and also in the description box. Today I have another Medusa's beauty box unboxing. This is for the month of June. Super excited to share this with you, so if you want to see what's inside and some swatches, then definitely keep watching. Let's get into this video. Alright, so I have the June box that's been just sitting, and I've been dying to film this video. I was naughty, okay, I sneaked a peek. So this is the packaging for the June box. I like that each box is kind of different. So it's this really pretty purple color, and it has like an illustration of Medusa on there. So if you're new to this brand, I signed up a few months back with my own money, not sponsored or anything. And it's now the price is $18.95 per month, free US shipping. They also ship to Canada and international, which is obviously going to be a little bit more. Everything is cruelty free and vegan. They're a smaller like indie company, and yeah, you get a mixture of makeup. It's mostly makeup based, but they do include some like skincare here and there, but it's mostly a makeup box, which really I gravitated towards because definitely I like talking about makeup here more than anything. So without further ado, let's unbox it, and I'm so excited to show you guys what's inside. So this one is the June 2020 cruelty-free vegan beauty box. It says unicorns, mermaids, and goddesses. Really pretty little photo there. And on the back it does show you like the price and little information about what you get inside. So this month's box, there is a total of 5 items, which usually there's only 4, so there is a bonus item, which is really exciting. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one out first that's not wrapped in bubble wrap. So this is the Lavender Moon Sparkle Bath Soak. It has Epsom salt and biodegradable glitter, cruelty-free and vegan. So here's the packaging. Look how cute. And it's a resealable pouch, so you can reseal it. Let me just zoom in the camera. Okay, hopefully you guys can see the glitter in here is so pretty. Look at that. How fun. And I like that it's biodegradable. It says exclusive. Want a truly magical bath experience? Yes. Mixture of lavender and scented Epsom salts with biodegradable glitter. Woo! Oh yeah, it definitely smells like lavender. I love the scent of lavender. It smells so good. Yay! Oh, I almost forgot. This retails for $10, the bath salts. So that is $10. All right, the next item I have here is the bonus item. And this is a synthetic glitter handle eyeshadow brush. This retails for $6. And I'm so excited, finally a brush. I've been telling you guys in these videos, like, I was hoping that they would include like a brush or a highlighter or something different. You know, I feel like it's been either a lipstick or an eyeshadow. You know what I mean? So this is actually a really nice brush. I love the glitter handle. Really pretty. It's a very large, flat, synthetic brush. I love brushes like this for concealer, for applying eyeshadow primer. This is also good to do like a cut crease. And I also love brushes like this to pack on glitter or a like metallic or foiled eyeshadow. So I will definitely get some use out of this brush. Yeah, I'm really excited to give this a try. So that was really awesome. So that was the bonus item. And again, this retails for $6 on their website. So this is actually from a different brand, and it's called Alexandra Cosmetics. Retails for $18, and it says it's made for mermaids. It's a rich and creamy full coverage lipstick. It's vegan and cruelty free, and it's ocean friendly, water resistant, and it has sunscreen. And it says assorted colors. So I'm guessing that each box you might receive like a different color than what I have. So here's the packaging, kind of like a nice black. So the shade is called Seashell, and it also says that here on the bottom. So here's what the lipstick bullet looks like. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't get over this packaging. It is stunning. It's like this soft, like pink chromatic color. And then on the back, it has an image of a mermaid. You see the mermaid? You can kind of see it right there. That is so, like, this is the cutest packaging I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. So the print around the lipstick looks like mermaid scales. How cool is this? When I saw this and pulled it out for the first time, I was like, oh, I don't want to use it. Like, it's so pretty. I don't even want to swatch it, but I will swatch it for you guys. And it's really interesting. I've never seen a lipstick look like this before. It's kind of scooped up in a curve. That is really unique. I've never seen anything like this before. So this is a very pale, I would describe it as a like peach nude lipstick. Very light, very peachy. And it feels really creamy. It feels really nice, creamy, soft. Should I put a little on? I'm wearing the e.l.f. lip oil in Coral Kiss. Should I put a little, let me put a little of this on. So that is what the shade Seashell looks like. So nude. A little too nude, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like on me. So how I would wear this, I'm actually going to take a nude lip liner. This is from Real Her Cosmetics. It's called I Am Confident. And just dab this on because it is really pigmented. And then you can take your finger and just kind of press it. Alright, so that's how I would wear this lip color. I would either layer it over top of a lip liner or do like a darker lipstick that's a few shades darker than this and then highlight in the center. So I was kind of hoping for something a little bit more. I feel like a lot of the lipsticks I've been receiving lately are so light that I can't really wear it on its own, but it is a really nice like formula. Yeah, I mean, how cool is that? I mean, that is the most unique packaging I've ever seen, at least for myself anyways. All right, moving on. I know I spent way too much time talking about that lipstick. So the next item, we actually have 2 more left. So let's talk about the other lip products. So this is the Medusa's Makeup Unicorn Kiss Vegan Lip Sparkle. So this is definitely the first time trying this. I think this is one of their best-selling products, if I'm not mistaken. So this comes in a cute little tin. It says Unicorn Kiss is a fun lip sparkle with a scent of cotton candy. Ooh, yum. Moisturize and sparkle with vegan ingredients including coconut oil and shea butter. So this retails for $10. And it comes in this really cute tin. And look at the unicorn. Look how cute that is. So it's just a little tin filled with the lip sparkle. It does smell good. Now, I don't know if this smells like cotton candy. Oh, okay, that was really creamy. I'm just gonna scoop up a little bit and put this on the back of my hand. All right, so here's a swatch of the, I guess, lip balm. So it's very, very oily. I'm sure you can see how like oily that looks. This is something I would just wear, you know, like right before bed or something, or if my lips are feeling dry. I don't think this is the type of product you want to put over top of, like, say what I'm wearing right now. I was gonna put this on, but it's not balmy like a lip balm would be in a little tub. It's more of like an oil. It's very, very oily. I can tell you right now, I don't like the glitter. I wish there wasn't chunky glitter in here because you can feel it. Like, I can feel it on the back of my hand, and I already know I am not going to like that feeling on my lips. So I'll have to give it a try and let you guys know. All right, guys, last but not least, from the June box, we have, this is called, it says one of the most popular monsters of Greek mythology, Medusa, was a beautiful maiden with beautiful hair until she fell in love. This super sparkly mineral pigment is a deep midnight black blue. This retails for $11.95. So this is one of their mystical eye dusts, and I haven't received one of these yet in any of the boxes, so I'm excited to try something new. So here's what the packaging looks like. Again, so cute. Has a little design here, little arrows. I love that. I love the arrows. Has the ingredients on the back, and this is in the shade Medusa. How fitting, right? So this one comes in a very large container, and it looks like you get 3 grams. It says right here, 3 grams of product. Here's the back. So here's what the inside looks like. I'll go ahead and remove, I need my tweezers. Where's my tweezers? Now, I was hoping for a colorful eyeshadow or something different because a lot of the shadows have been like gray or black, which I don't mind. But you know, when you have a subscription box that you're subscribed to, you hope for something a little bit more, right? It looks like a charcoal black, and it has a bunch of gold and green glitter. It's really, really pretty. I'm hoping that my camera really picks up that shift, but it probably won't. But that's the color there. Alright guys, so that is everything for the month of June from the Medusa's beauty box. Once again, just to overview, we had the Lavender Moon Sparkle Bath Salts. Very excited to try that. We had the eyeshadow brush. We also had the Emily Alexandra Cosmetics Seashell lipstick. Then we also had the Unicorn Kiss Vegan Lip Sparkle. And last but not least, we had the Mystical Eye Dust in the shade Medusa. So those are all of the items, 5 items this time, which was super exciting, I have to say. So I do have a complete unboxing playlist of these beauty boxes, so definitely check the playlist out. I'll link that in the description box along with, you know, all this stuff and information if you guys want to sign up to get your very own box. So thank you guys so much for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new. You can follow me if you want to on Instagram. My links are always here on the screen and down below. So I hope you guys have a really awesome day. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.